case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the United States District Court for the Western District of Pennsylvania heard the case of Magic Marketing Inc. v. Mailing Services of Pittsburgh Inc., which centered on the concept that only creative and original works can be protected by copyright law. Plaintiff Magic Marketing accused American Paper Products of copyright infringement for allegedly manufacturing and supplying infringing copies of letters, forms, and envelopes. The court dismissed 2 counts and focused on the copyright infringement claim. American Paper Products moved for summary judgment on the copyrightability of the envelopes, which the court granted in part, determining that the envelopes lacked originality for copyright protection. The 2 envelopes in question were deemed conventional, with one containing a horizontal black stripe and instructions, while the other featured a bold-faced message above the window and a copyright mark on the back. The defendant admitted to supplying these envelopes but denied providing any letters or forms. The plaintiff alleged that they held a valid copyright in the relevant materials. Although the court granted the defendant's motion for summary judgment on the issue of the envelopes, it denied the same motion for other materials. The court considered the motion premature and allowed the plaintiff time to gather evidence and potentially uncover contradictory information regarding the letters and forms.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.